He needs to craft one of the most intricate constructions in the natural world. Bulrush grass. It's pliable and waterproof. He threads the strand around a branch, then back through the loop, a faultless half hitch. One down, 999 to go. This female will only mate with the best builder. He weaves the egg chamber, carefully tensioning every single strand. Pellets of clay will add stability. Will his new build win him a mate? A flutter of her wings shows her approval. She'll lay her eggs in the next few days, but the storm is approaching. He reinforces the foundations, weaving extra strips of bulrush grass around the tree's thorns. With eggs laid, his nest faces the ultimate test. The monsoon winds. His future hangs in the balance. The colony has taken a hit, but many nests have stood firm, including his. It will safely house his chicks until they fly the nest in around 2 weeks' time.